Hey, I am Frida with WTI, and this is my newest tripod stand from Elitehood. Super cool the way it opens. Makes it very, very sturdy, but it's very easy to close. You just lift up like that. But the nicest feature is these legs. You have the very top. It's that easy. Close them up. The middle section. Close them up. And then the bottoms. So this thing gets tall enough for me to set it up and record while I'm standing up. The very unique feature about this is this part where this can come off and you can either record something that's down on your countertop, like when I'm recording making a recipe or something that needs to be shown from the top, and this head swivels in the most amazing ways, every way you can think of, 360, all the way around this way, up and down. But then this comes out and it can also go in the top and be used as a regular tripod stand. I absolutely love it. You can have it on portrait mode, landscape mode, just with a quick slip of your hand. Since it doesn't have a ring light on it, I have a ring light that has a clip and I'm able to just clip it to the bar on the top. It's getting constant use in our house. It came with an amazing carrying case, which I so appreciate. And it's such a small carrying case, you think it wouldn't fit? Well, this thing folds up so small that it's very easy to throw in there. If you're limited on space like I am and you need something that folds up as small as possible, get this tripod stand from Elitehood. Very convenient size, and it's ready to go for the next time you need it. And that's my point of view.